Hello everyone, this is John, and I am very excited to pre-announce a product that is going to be released within the next couple of weeks. This product has been 2 years in the development and is going to combine a bunch of things for your DIY chest freezer cold plunge into one unit that's going to make it super easy and do all the things that you really need it to do. So this is the Cold Plunge Brain, or CP Brain, and I'm going to give you a quick little tour of the device. The final details are being tweaked right now, but essentially in one unit right here, what you're going to get is a temperature controller, you're going to get a flow meter, a lid sensor, an ozone generator that's built into it, and 4 outlets that you can plug stuff into. All of the sensors have jacks on the side here, and we can add other sensors later if needed, but you've got the time. It'll tell you what the current temperature is, what the room temperature is, and then all of these outlets, it has built-in programmable timers. So over here on the schedule, you can come in and just basically tell it what outlet you want, and you can set up the days for this to run. So if you've got a pump you want to turn off and on, you can do that really easily there. You've got the ability to basically set up the temperature, the time, the date. There's safety. Safety means the lid sensor there. And then basically you do have the ability to connect this to Wi-Fi. So, don't look at my Wi-Fi password. This thing is going to tell you the flow rate. And why is that important? Well, you'll be able to know when you need to change the filter. So if you're looking at your filter and you see that this gallon per minute rate goes down from whatever the baseline is, it is time to change the filter. So that's going to be a really cool thing. Now this reading right here is not accurate, so we are making some final little adjustments on this version number 1. Again, this device has been 2 years in the making, and it comes from somebody who is in our chest freezer cold plunge group. He has been in the group, and he started out as working for this thing on his own, just as a temperature controller, as a hobbyist, something that he thought would be way better than the Inkbirds, way easier to program and to set up and to use. And so we've been talking back and forth over the last 2 years, and in collaboration with this. So I'm really super excited to announce this product, and I am going to be an affiliate. There will be a discount code, and we will be doing a pre-launch, but I'll provide more details about that in the next couple of days. So in the meantime, if you have any questions about it, let me know.